I'm giving a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, the nicest one. You got to subscribe to the channel, go to Twitter, follow at cryptobtc_Chris. If you go down to the description of this video, there's a TikTok link. You got to follow me on TikTok. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in Crypto Rewind, we'll go back to yesterday when we talked about this inverse head and shoulders measured move. The stock market actually was up a few percentage points, and Bitcoin slowly moved higher, but barely touched real close to this measured move right now. Again, the most important thing in this market is when technical analysis, you just have to trade like a bot. Okay? Expect a given outcome. If the outcome is different, then you counter trade it, right? So again, the measured move, and we're going to zoom out to the 4-hour chart and look at this on a higher time frame. But always and forever, I want you guys to focus on this. On a bear trap, everybody was short. Everybody opened shorts on this idea. So if you get a break back inside the pattern and a bullish retest, open up longs. This is one of the best entries you're going to get in this market, and it happens all the time. Vice versa. The absolute high that Bitcoin had this year was the biggest bull trap, and everybody FOMO'd into the top, and they got completely wrecked. They bought the bull trap. Okay, so just understand these traps, counter trade them quickly. So this measured move, just keep in mind that, I mean, technically there's a rising wedge in here, right? There's a rising wedge, 68% chance that this breaks to the downside. And the measured move would put it down here in this area. Let's just say if it fails and breaks the downside, 20,400. Now let's zoom out. This is also on the 4-hour time frame, an inverse head and shoulders, a falling broadening wedge. There's a 68% chance that this breaks out to the upside. Again, I want to see some volume confirmation come in here, and you see some type of bullish retest to this level. You're looking for more upside out of Bitcoin based on this idea. Okay. Obviously, you do not want to see the bulls get rejected here. We want to get a good alt. And we've had these altcoins have been amazing. Amazing. I'll just go over a couple setups with you in just a second. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, amazing shout out to CBC. He's up 316% on this one trade. This person is an admin in the group. And I said, how much did you start with? He said 300, I think. And I'm like, bro, you start with 300 and you're at 3,700. Again, this guy, he went from $1,000 to $99,000. Bought a house, paid off all his debt, and that's why he ended up back at 300. This person started with a fraction, a tenth of an Ethereum, 0.11. Now, in 6 weeks, they're up to 1.28 Ethereum. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Banging, you've got to be in the right coins. Look, Banger Central, home of the bangers. Look, 18%, 27%, 28%, 60%, 31%. We do this every day. You've got to be in the right coins. Listen, if Bitcoin is stable for the weekend, right, if it just kind of meanders along here and maybe doesn't break out, right, just kind of float sideways, you can get some good altcoin trading, right? So, there's a school of traders that would say, from Thursday to Saturday, these are some best altcoin trading days because Bitcoin just normally does a whole lot of nothing. But if Bitcoin dumps, this idea is obviously negated, right? Bitcoin doesn't do anything on the weekends. You get people trade altcoins, right? Whales get bored of trading, of Bitcoin doing nothing. Write this down. After a good bear trap, the bears get punished. And somebody said, well, what's a good bear trap? And again, this was a perfect, you have, essentially this came down here, this tested, this low right here, it tested previous cycle top on the weekly chart from 2017. I mean, this is a good solid retest. And then a good bear trap is when it comes back into the pattern and then the bulls hold that level and they regain it. Because what happens is all the shorts, they have to buy a bunch of Bitcoin. They have to go long in order to cover and offset their losses that they just incurred in this trap. So they start buying the coin, and that's why this works so well. You've got to counter trade the bear traps. Listen, one thing about TA, it's not always right, but that's sometimes the best time to use TA is when it's not right, because you know immediately to flip and trade the other direction. When the statistics, the probabilities are wrong, flip and trade, counter trade the other direction. Some of my favorite times are when the TA is wrong, because I know to go big the other direction, period. I was actually sleeping on this higher low, so I didn't trade. I didn't get in right here. But I posted this setup and I said all the buyers should be sitting right here overhead, right? So that's where I got in, right? And since that bounce, I mean, you've seen considerable upside just based on this idea. Real quick on this news, a lot of the coins with news have been moving well, okay? So I just, again, screenshot this, print it out. But Axie Infinity's Ronin Ethereum bridge is going to be restarted on June the 28th. Ethereum has got a Gray Glacier upgrade on the 29th. There's a multi-chain marketplace upgrade on GMT. Right, so write down this news. What makes coins green? Attention. Where the attention goes, the money flows, right? So when this news is attention, it brings attention to the projects. Everybody else right now is talking about, okay, what's happening with WaxP? Okay, they've got an NFT Garage Series 3 sale on July the 7th. And you have to buy WaxP in order to take part in this, right? Write this down, July 7th. Put it on your whiteboard. Get a whiteboard. And so Virtua is going to launch its metaverse, and that's TVK. It's launching in July. They've got BNB has got a quarterly coin burn. Where the attention goes, the money flows. News brings attention to the projects. Yesterday, I gave you Solana. Watch Solana, I said, because it had some huge news. 10%, 10.5% gains based on this idea. Potentially a little bit more than that now, 11%. Hey, what could you do with 11% a day? You cannot lose money in this market. You need that money, that capital, to make more money. You must preserve capital. We are trading against the elite. You will not win if you don't know the rules of this game that we're playing. And like I said, watch for the majority to get trapped and tricked and faked out and then counter trade the move and go big. Goldman Sachs internal memo unveils there's a new cryptocurrency trading team. We're trading against the elite. If you're thinking, oh, well, should I buy now? Is Bitcoin going up or down? Is Bitcoin going? Listen, most of the time, Bitcoin goes sideways anyways, right? But you have to learn the basics on this market to even stand a chance. You're trading against the elite. You think Goldman Sachs, are they sitting in there and are they, well, should we buy this? What do you got? Is Bitcoin going up or down? They got computers, they got 900 computer screens everywhere. People that do this full time, you're trading against, you're trying to take their money and they're trying to take yours. Don't let them take your money. I remember in 2018 when Goldman Sachs crashed the crypto market. They were supposedly going to have this crypto trading desk and it was going to be the best thing ever. At 2018, we just wanted anybody to adopt Bitcoin. Just Goldman Sachs is going to have this. And then they said, no, we're not going to open the trading desk. And the entire market got wrecked, really destroyed. Now, Goldman Sachs is raising $2 billion to buy Celsius Network. You think for 1 second that this market isn't the future, the biggest economic financial revolution in the world? Look at this. They didn't even want to trade Bitcoin, and now they're buying Celsius, Goldman Sachs. If you guys only knew where I've seen this market start from and where it's at now, if you get down, if you're like, oh man, Bitcoin, everybody else gets down too, right? What happens is a lot of people sell in max pain. And those, a lot of times, are the best buying opportunities. Keep your head in this game, and I will help you be successful. So BNS as an example. So this was posted where the attention goes, the money flows. And this is BNS USDT, and this is on Kucoin. Now, make a Kucoin account. There's a VIP link in the description, but this is going to happen, and it's a phenomenon that we have on this channel, and everybody makes sick amounts of money. When does it happen? I tested the waters today, right? So I posted on Twitter and in the trading group, watch BNS USDT ready to bang. It just started moving. It was all the way down here. It was all the way down here. It's up 40. At one point, it was up 40% as soon as I called it out. Where the attention goes, the money flows. Look, this thing was pumping immediately after posting it. Now, make sure follow me on Twitter to catch those calls at cryptobtc_Chris. Where the attention goes, what makes this coin green? I just talked about it. These gem picks, if you're a small bag holder, got $1,000 or less, 2,000, 3,000. This is the easiest money you'll ever make in this market. This is a huge, just on a larger scale. Look at this pattern. You have this huge falling wedge running out of room. I mean, I knew to post this. I'm telling you, do not get down in this market, because when gem pick season comes, you guys that have been here for a while. Now, if BNS gets a bullish retest where it comes down here and retests this level, that's a great entry. So this thing, look at the volume. Volume confirms the moves. This thing historically pumps crazy, right? It pumps hard, pump. I mean, look at these pumps. Pumps hard, pumps. Look at those pumps. Okay, now here, you get the bullish retest. Everybody else is paying attention to this coin because it's on top of the charts. It's green. You go to Kucoin and you're a new person in crypto, and you're like, well, dang, this coin's green. I'm saying freaking FOMO into the top. But I'm saying the attention, green coins get attention. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.